you will say that there are many small currencies in cryptocurrencies that people can regulate. For example, Dogecoin. Now, if it is a small coin, now Dogecoin is also not small, but if a big player comes, if a big bull comes, then what can it do inside? What did Elon Musk do whenever he increased it, whenever he dropped it? Because the size of the market is still very small. When the size of the market will increase, for example, today the size of the stock market is very big in front of the cryptocurrency market. So if someone comes and put 1,000 crore or 10,000 crores, then he cannot manipulate the whole market. Yes, a stock market can also be manipulated here. If you want a video on stock versus crypto, then do comment below. We will surely try to make a video on stock versus crypto. So what are the similarities and difference, we will tell you. But you must be understanding here. You must have understood the second concept of that what is the difference between centralized and decentralized. Now the third concept is currency. Now what does faith means? Now people say that faith means fake, and the money we are using, the dollar are we are using, the euro we are using, and the yen we are using, all comes from faith currency. It came a few years ago. You or any country could print as much currency as it has gold in it reserve or assets. Now in today's date, the current that are printing notes, there are no assets behind it. They are not backed by any asset. Print as much as you want. So you already know what happened with Zimbabwe, and there are many such countries that have drawn their own country's economy while printing notes. So because it is not in hands of fake currency, people think it is a fake currency. It is not backed by any gold. It is not backed by any asset. So this is my suggestion. It is not just about cryptocurrencies. It is about the money you get. You convert it into assets, whether it is not gold, whether it is in silver, or if you get more money you can take a loan. But what will be the benefit of this? That the value of your money will not separate. You will also be safe from inflammation, and God forbid, as it happened with the other countries, it will happen with our India in any time. But yes, a lot of notes are being printed after Corona. How many notes have been printed by the Indian government? You will tell by commenting below. I have already told you how much, a lot of money is being printed by. Now let's understand the fourth concept here, and this is digital versus physical currency. Now digital versus physical. A few years ago people did not trust Paytm. People throw Paytm runs away because it is a digital. People, but then 50,000 can be snatched, lost, a rat can enter it, can be stolen, anything can happen. But digitally, can people think it is safe? Earlier people did not think, earlier people did not trust digital, but cryptocurrencies are totally based on digital technology. It is totally digital. You must have the Bitcoin many times, but you will never get it in your hands. It is a digital come from currency. So what do you think a digital form of currency you are understanding? Now if you want to invest in cryptocurrencies, then the education partner of video is CoinDCX Go. By going to their platform, you can buy Bitcoin for free. You can trade in a lot of cryptocurrencies, and the fund that you have in it is secured. It is. And now finally we will talk about fifth concept on which cryptocurrencies are based, and that is blockchain technology. Well, a lot of people say that we do not trust cryptocurrencies so much, but we have a lot of faith in blockchain's technology, and this is the same statement from the RBI governor. He said that the technology behind cryptocurrency is something that we should adopt, and that is blockchain technology. Now, what is this technology? It is a simple thing which we call ledger. Ledger means maintaining an account. We maintain by transaction, any transaction. Now, whenever you transaction in your banking is maintaining, so all the records are which the bank put. You have seen the movie of Harshad Mehta. You found out that it inside the ledger. You saw the case of SBI. If the entry is removed from the ledger, then how much will to do for it? How much investigation will have to be done? Later it will be found out that there is any fraud any inside the bank. You have seen that many banks have with it. Blockchain technology says that you cannot delete any entry. Here people have their own computer on. There are miners here. There are mining technologies machines. We have already talked about it, but still I'm talking and I'm telling you about whenever there is a transaction here, that transaction is being verified by going to any stage here, and if there is any error in the middle, then there will be no verification. So because your ledger is maintained in many steps, so what is the benefit of blockchain technology? No one can manipulate the ledger, no one can manipulate the figures. Every transaction is being recorded, and a lot of research is going on. Now this is relatively very a new technology, and that is why the entry is market, or it is an emerging market. It can a new market. So now in this means of lot of people can say that. So these five concepts which have been they understand today, you have understand today, they can also understand it. So if you are coming to the channel and the first time, you should subscribe it. Thank you so much.